This is my old washing machine. It served me faithfully, washing my clothes week in, week out for the last 20 years. But recently it's been showing its age a little and doing funny things, especially during the spin cycle. Watch this. Now I try to restrain its movements. Stopped it just in time. It can't be right. Well, you know how it is. I knew it wouldn't go quietly, so I got a couple of thugs to come and take it away. It's broken, and that's all there is to it. Now I have a nice, shiny, bright, new washing machine with all the latest gadgets, and it runs really smoothly. Ah, the joys of consumerism.